How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Trias update. In the last Trias update, and it has been a while now, but I have been suggesting since $4.50 up here that price would come back down to this zone. We have met the target exactly as we predicted on this channel, so go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to see more Trias updates, comment below if you took this position or if you have been watching since we were up here at $4.50, where I said we need to break above it, otherwise price will eventually, and I was calling it pretty much move for move, that would come down into here, come back up, come down to here, come back up, come down to here, into here, and that was our target. Yes, we can continue lower. We most likely are just testing this previous support over here now as resistance to come back down to test this 200 EMA. It's not even, it wouldn't even be a surprise, guys. It's, to be honest, for me, it would be expected for us to come back down to test this 200 EMA, as the previous times over here we've tested it. Actually, to the left over here we did not. So maybe potentially, as there is a wick over here that we have failed to lose, we've got pretty much like pretty much equal lows or something like that, like a double bottom over here. So actually, what could happen is we come into this zone again, somewhere like here, and we need to hold this area as support to continue higher. So we need a higher low right now, essentially, guys, around this area, above this area over here. And if this could be the case, if we hold support over here, maybe we can push through resistance. But to be honest, as we've seen to the left over here, usually when we lose these moving averages, you do eventually come back down to test the 200 EMA, which is quite close to the $3 psychological level. I know that $3 is below it, so yeah, and we've seen price go below it before, so let's just hold out. But to see if we do get one last go down into there, if we are to continue higher, I would expect to find support somewhere in and around this area to eventually continue higher. However, what we were saying originally from the beginning of this month, the first week of this month, is that price would come back down towards 311 to 333. 300, my mistake, guys. $3.11 to $3.33. So it's just incredible to see that. We can also see that as a previous rising wedge over here, so that's why we were essentially calling for this target. And we do have, sorry, that's V chain, and we do have an ascending support over here, which is just pretty much shown by that 200 EMA, and we can see that, yeah, currently we are holding it as support. So yeah, pretty much saying that, yeah, the target has been met to the downside. If we do come down one more time, I need to find support somewhere in and around this area to have a go at breaking past this $3.75, heading back to $4, and then tackling this point. Something like this will most likely happen, guys, where we come back down, test that $4 as it's a strong resistance, come back down into here, maybe have a little fake out to test that area and then break it, and do something like this until we eventually get to $5 and $5.50 and beyond. So this is, of course, the bullish case. If anything does change and we do lose the 200 EMA, please do expect some volatility to the downside, and yeah, we could be looking at this area over here, in and around this area over here, for support. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If this does now come back down, we fail to hold all these key levels, which should hold as we are in an uptrend, then we do change the trend into a downtrend. Technically speaking, price would try and hunt this area over here, but there are a lot of key levels of support before that, which would be this area, and you could just tap into that and continue higher. Don't you worry, I will make a further Trias update, but don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And then, yeah, if you need any further assistance, reach out to me on my Twitter, private message me there. If you want to join my Discord community, I can offer you 3 months for free just to see how it is. But you do need to take action on at least the course or the one-to-one coaching, which is 5 hours to 10 hours, plus the course, plus 3 months for free, followed by a permanent 50% discount per month. And that's if you choose to stay in the chat or not. Cheers.